Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I'll show you how to migrate WordPress website from local to live server using Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. Log into hPanel and navigate to account Migrate website. On the Manage Migration Request section, click Add Request. Enter your website's domain name in the provided field and click Next. For a live WordPress site, choose I will provide WordPress admin details and enter your WordPress credentials for verification. Keep in mind not to change your domain's DNS settings until the transfer is complete. If your website is offline, choose I will provide my backup files and database. Drag and drop your website files in .zip format and your database in .sql format. Select the destination domain from the drop-down list. Review the migration request summary. Confirm that all details are correct before selecting Submit Request. Please allow between 2 to 48 hours for the migration to complete. You can track the progress on the migrations request page or in the website section of hPanel. After migrating, point your old domain to Hostinger. The domain name systemdns propagation process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. To verify if the transfer is successful, enter your Hostinger plan's IP address on skipDNS. And that's it, you are done.